Hey guys, welcome to How to Writing. When you guys are going to become the experts and teach me, Mrs. Lutz, or teach your parents or your siblings something that you are an expert in. So to get started, I'm just going to go over a few reminders on how to do a how to. You can watch this exact instructions challenge because when you're teaching someone how to do something, you need to have a lot of detail in your instructions, or they're not actually going to know what to do, and things might turn out a little bit wonky. So just watch about 5 minutes of this video. You don't need to watch the whole thing. It's just a little bit of a reminder to show you um, what happens when you're putting things out of order or you're not explaining yourself very well. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to put the sentences in order because when you're explaining instructions to someone, if something isn't in order, then they're going to get confused as to what you're talking about. I'm going to read these sentences and you're going to see or you're going to hear if they make sense or not. So, number one, when I finished eating, I put on my shoes outside, or I put on my shoes. Number two, I played tag outside. And number three, I finished eating my supper. These are not in order. And it would be kind of weird picturing that. So, what you're going to do is you are going to click on the box here, see where you have your 4 arrows. Oh, I need to find my 4 arrows again. I'm going to click down on my mouse and drag it away. And it should move over so that I can move what actually comes first up there. When you finish putting those in order, you're going to go down to I'm an expert page. So this is when you're choosing what you're going to be an expert in. For me, I decided to choose the things I know how to make because I know how to make hot chocolate. You can pick things like foods I know how to make, activities I know how to do, places I know how to get to, games I know how to play, or silly things that I know how to do, or things I know how to make. So you can pick any of these here. Just write one and just choose one thing for now. And then we're going to stop there for this lesson. The next lesson, we're going to go a little bit further. I'll show you what we're going to do next lesson. Next lesson, we're going to look here at what do you need. So we're looking at the putting the things in order and what the instructions actually are. So how to make hot chocolate, this is what we're doing. We're going to have a topic or an introduction sentence, a beginning. Have you ever wondered how to make hot chocolate? Today you will learn how to. Number one, place a cup of water into the kettle. Turn the kettle on and wait for the water to boil. Number two, while you wait for the water to boil, get a cup and put 2 tablespoons of powder into the cup. Number three, pour the boiling water from the kettle into the cup with powder. Mix the powder and water together. Number four, top your hot chocolate off with some puffy white marshmallows. Make sure to blow your hot chocolate to cool it down a bit. Oh, blow on your hot chocolate. There we go. Ending. I hope you have fun making and enjoying drinking your hot chocolate. So this is what we're going to do next time. This is what it's going to lead up to. For right now, we're just filling out what we're an expert in. So you're going to head to this one here and you're going to figure out what you're an expert in. When you finish that, please submit. I can't wait to read what I'm going to learn about.